Get it right, get it right, get it right. Charlie, there is a quick news and a quick update that I need to bring to you. This is going to be a very short video. Please make sure that you listen carefully. If you haven't applied to Eastern Illinois University, EIU, this is the time for you to apply because there is a big opportunity apps for grabs. So please make sure that you take advantage. There's a big opportunity for you, especially those of you who are looking for funding opportunities. So this is the news. The Housing and Dining Department is looking for ARDs. So the ARDs are like Assistant Resident Directors. So these are people who will be helping the resident directors to manage the residential halls. So for instance, in this video, so you see this tall building ahead of me. So this is the Lawson Hall. So we have students here. So as the ARD, you will help the directors to manage the students stay comfortably in this particular hostel or like the dormitories. So if you haven't applied to Eastern, please, this is the time for you to do it. This is a good opportunity. So this is Lawson. What you see is also Taylor, and then we have Andrew, we have Andrew Taylor, we have how do you call it? Okay, so this is even Lawson. So as you can see in your shot, this is Lawson Hall. So as an ARD, you help to manage this building. You will help the students. If they have any issue, you will attend to them. You will undergo training before everything. So this is Lawson Hall. Taylor is ahead of me. There is Thomas, but it's temporarily closed. And then also there is Andrew, and there are other residential halls for students. So please, I beg you in the name of God, if you have not applied to Eastern, this is the time. And you see, this is the good news. Now, when you apply as an ARD, the good news is, one, your tuition is going to be waived. So you are not going to pay tuition. Number two, you are going to get monthly stipend. So every month they are going to give you cash. Number three, your food, your dining is taken care of because they're going to give you a card which you swipe for your dining, for your meals and all those things. Number four, good news. Number four, get it right. Good news. Number four, free housing. Yes, you heard me right. Free housing. You are going to get a free accommodation. Free, just for you. So you get a room or a house to stay in for free. They pay your tuition. They also give you food. And then, like, Charlie, this is good news. So if you have not applied to EIU, this is the time for you to do that, my friend. Get it right. You can do it too. Now, somebody's going to ask me, so how do I go about this? When you go on the housing website, the EIU Housing and Dining website, you see the ARD applications are open, and then you see all the other opportunities available. Please apply. But before you can qualify for this opportunity, you need to apply for a program at Eastern. And as I've told you earlier, Eastern has a lot of programs. Eastern has a lot of programs that will meet your needs. Whatever that you want to apply for, you will get it. So put in your application right now, like now. International student, this is your opportunity. A lot of you have been calling for funding. So let me show you another housing building. So as you can see, you see that tall building? Yes, that is the Stevenson building. So it is also one of the residential halls that Housing and Dining Department actually manage. So please, I beg you, Charlie, this is Coleman, but this one is actually for class and all those things. So please, I beg you. Most of you have always been reaching out to me. We need scholarship. We need this. Please, this one is the best that you can ever get. They are going to give you free housing. They are going to pay for your tuition, which is actually waived. They are also going to give you a card which you swipe for your meal, and then they are going to give you goodie, cash, l'argent. Charlie, if you don't like this one, I don't know what else you want in life. I don't know what else I can recommend for you. So please, I beg you, make sure that you apply. Make sure that you apply for this position, okay? Who knows? You will be the next person that will be considered. So put in your application. It is very, very, very important. I beg you in the name of God. put in your application so that you can be considered, because EIU is one of the best schools that you can find in the US here. They take care of you. The staff are so professional. They always make sure that like they treat you well. They treat you. I just got news. I just got this housing news and I want to share with you. So please, if you are looking for a housing opportunity, or if you are looking for an opportunity to be considered, which will pay for your tuition, pay for your food and all those, everything is taken care of. Yes, so please, ARD positions are open at the housing department. This is the opportunity for you also to put in your application so that you could be considered. Who knows, you might be the lucky one. Get it right. You can do it too. I'm on my way to class. We'll see you on the brighter side of life. Get it right, get it right. You can do it too. So let me hear you comment. You can do it too. This is a time for you also to share your experience. This is a time for you also to get an opportunity to travel and study. So please make sure that you put in your application right now. Get it right. You can do it. Guys, see you. I'm going to class. See you.